Hyperbaric oxygen chamber. Usage instruction. Take the machine out of the carton. Firstly, check the machine appearance. After confirming everything is okay, cut off and take out the two TI cables under the machine. This is a humidification bottle. It can hold water, keeping the oxygen moist. The water level should not over half of the bottle. It can also not add any water. Depending on the situation, tighten the cap with bottle. Keep it from leaking. Otherwise, the oxygen may not come up. Also make the tube connecting parts tightly. Next, we inflate the bracket. In the initial state, it is not inflated. This is the inflating port. It has two states. This is a concave state. Now the port is open. Press it, it will raise. It's locked here. Let's demonstrate how to inflate the bracket. When the port is raised, take out the inflating connector from the accessory bag. Twist it. Connect one end of air tube to machine air outlet. Connect the other end to the inflating connector. Then turn on the machine. Inflate until the bracket is fully supported. After the bracket is completed inflating, twist and pull out the inflating connector. Tighten the plastic lid. Now start to inflate the chamber. In the accessory bag, there are two tubes in 6 mm outside diameter. Insert tube one end into the machine oxygen outlet. Insert the other tube one end into the machine air outlet. There is marking on the chamber connectors. Insert the oxygen tube end into the oxygen inlet on the chamber. Insert the other air tube end into air inlet on the chamber. This is the air inlet. Below is the oxygen inlet, corresponding to the oxygen outlet inside the chamber. This is the automatic pressure relief valve. When the pressure inside reaches the set value, this valve begins to deflate. There is another same automatic pressure relief valve on the other side. This is manual pressure relief valve. Before inflating the chamber, firstly, tighten the manual valve in the correct direction to avoid air leakage when inflating. This is backup port. Now user can enter into the chamber, bringing with an oxygen mask. Insert the oxygen mask tube into the oxygen outlet inside. The people outside should tighten the double zippers in sequence. After all tubes are well connected, turn on the machine. Usually about 10 minutes, the pressure inside will reach the set value. The time is different based on different set pressure data. Now it's inflating. Wait until the automatic pressure relief valve begins to deflate. Oxygen therapy officially begins. After finishing oxygen inhaling, firstly, use the manual pressure relief valve to relieve the air. Unscrew according to the marked direction. It can be operated by people both inside and outside. If feels uncomfortable, unscrew it lessly. Because if the air deflates too quickly, pressure inside will change too much. We can adjust it based on the feelings of inside people. When deflated to the point where there is basically no sound, you can turn off the machine. Warm reminder: if you want to directly turn off the machine to relieve pressure, be sure to disconnect the oxygen and air tubes on the chamber firstly, then turn off the machine, to prevent the water inside the machine to backflow caused by pressure difference. After the pressure relief is completed, unzip the zippers one by one. People inside can exit. The full process is completed here now. You have a cold dryer. Please refer to the following usage instruction. These are two connectors. Install them on top of the cold dryer. Then tighten it. Cut off about 1 meter long air tube from the tube roll. Connect one end to machine air outlet. Connect the other end to air inlet of cold dryer. Connect the other air tube one end to air outlet of cold dryer. Connect the other end to air inlet on the chamber. Usually it's no need to adjust the cold dryer. Turn on the cold dryer to use it. Below port is the condensate water outlet. There will be some water spray out from there. We can use a small basin to collect water, or insert a 6 mm tube to drain the water elsewhere. Thank you for watching.